My dear student, welcome to my class. I am Saidur Rahman, Begum Hamida Siddiqui School and College, assistant teacher. My dear student, what can you see? This is a bag and this is a tag. This is bag and tag. He is a student, is not he? What is this? What is this? Tag question. So today's lesson is tag question, English second paper, Unit 9, Lesson 5, page 145. You are Jisan, aren't you? Here is adding something, aren't you? This is tag question. What is tag question? A tag question is a question that is used at the end of a statement to get the support from the listener. So when we add something in the at the end of a sentence for getting support, this is called tag question. Who is he? He is a operator. When we want to make a tag question, we need some operators. These all are operators. Am, is, are, was, are, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, do, does, did, etc. are operator. When we make a tag question, we need some operators, especially short form of verbs. These all are short form of verbs and these all are also short form of verbs. Mahabuba was our good friend. Was not she? Was not she is a tag question. Structure. If the sentence is affirmative, the tag question will be, at first you have to write the sentence fully, then you should omit the full stop and then put a operator, and if the sentence is assertive, the tag will be negative. At last, pronoun subject, and at last you have to use interrogation mark. If the sentence is negative, the tag will be affirmative. You have to write the sentence first, then you should omit the full stop and you should use comma, then you will make tag affirmative. She is not my mother, is she? Labib is a smart boy, is not she? Is not he? There are 10 sentences here. Please add tag of the following sentences as fast as possible. I think you have completed. Please correct your answer from this answer. Then, my mother cooks very well, doesn't she? If there is yes or yes with the verb, then you should use operator as doesn't. If the verb is passive or root form or present form, then you will use don't, do or don't. And if the verb is past form, then you will use did. Every mother loves her child, don't they? If you find yes or yes after everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, somebody, someone, one, none, the above rules will not be effective. In that place you have to add don't they or do they. For example, everyone respect him, don't they? Nobody likes a man of bad temper, do they? Everybody loves flower, don't they? Then, if you find all these words in the sentences, the sentence, although the sentence looks like affirmative, but actually the sentence will be negative. Then you shall use the tag positive form. These words are never, recently, seldom, hardly, barely, scarcely. Look at the example. He never came again. Did he? She can rarely come these days. Can she? You hardly ever came late. Did you? I barely know you. Do I? You would scarcely expect her to come, would you? More example. If you find a few or a little in the sentence, then tag will be negative. I have a few money, don't I? Or haven't I? A few, a little is affirmative, then tag will be negative. But few or little, it is negative, then tag will be affirmative. I have few money, don't I or have I? There is a little water in the jar, is not there? And there is little water in the jar, is there. Little, negative, few, negative, then tag will be affirmative. I need your help. She need a pen. Here, need is used as principal verb. So tag will be don't I. Doesn't I. Doesn't he. She needs a pen. Doesn't she. But you need not worry. Need you. Here need is used as a modal. Need will be used as a tag operator. If I had any scope, I would visit London, wouldn't I? If you find D and then verb present, a D will be would. And if you find D, then verb past tense form, then that D will be had. Then you should use hadn't. Last year I would visited London, hadn't I? Imperative sentence. Don't stop, will you? Go on, will you? Please help me, will you? Kindly do me a favor, will you? If you get imperative sentence, then you will use will you as a operator. But let me say something, will you? Let him go, let them enjoy the game. Let him go, will you? Let them enjoy the game, will you? Exceptional. If you find let us or let's, then you will use shall we. For example, let us settle the matter, shall we? Let us make a garden, shall we? Let us go out for a walk, shall we? Let us discuss the matter with the headmaster, shall we? In this way, you will use shall we. If you find goodbye, it is means I bid goodbye. Then you will use don't I. Hassan is a Hassan. Here is Hassan. He is Hassan. You will do homework at home. Write a paragraph about yourself, and then you will use different kinds of verb, tag, and then make tag. You will practice more at home, then you will learn tag question. Thank you all.